tablets. Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 shows performance gains over last year's tablets, but its benchmarks trail the iPad Air 2. Running Android 5.0.2, its Geekbench 3 scores averaged a healthy 4,077. That means it slotted itself right in between Google's Nexus 9 tablet with a score of 3,492, and Apple's iPad Air 2 with a tablet-defining score of 4,506. What's interesting is that, while Samsung is a bit clock speed shy with its tablet chipsets, Apple in contrast goes all out with its iPads. The iPad Pro has its highest 10-day 9X chip. The Galaxy S6 and Galaxy Note 5 top the charts on our benchmark rankings, while Apple's iPhone line has always fall short. The iPhone 6s and iPhone 6s Plus stick have a new, but more conservative A9 processor. The good news is that the Galaxy Tab S2 is still a snappy performer when TouchWiz doesn't bog down the interface, and the operating system consistently stays out of the way here. Internal storage. Better yet, Samsung makes a fair trade-off with the internal storage specs. All of Apple's devices begin with 16 GB of storage for the same, and at some stores, cheaper, price as Samsung's 32 GB phones and tablets. That's more important to many file-hoarding consumers who have gigabytes worth of music, photos and apps stored locally, than a tablet that ekes out a win when it comes to processor performance under pressure.